Hello, I'm doing this video simple because I checked in YouTube and I didn't find too many information about when you have a Ford Flex between 2011, 12, 13 and 14, maybe 15 too. The car have the issues, they crank but won't start. And so I checked for code and it didn't give me code. But when you crank and then you do a code for key on, key off, it gives me the code. I believe it was PO 627. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, and then it say fuel pump control circuit open. So that was the issue that I have, and now I bought the part from the Ford dealer. Now the car start, and the part is located right there. That's the passenger side rear panel. Got the part number and the part. This is the old part. That's how that thing look like. It's kind of like a relay module for the fuel pump. And this is the part number. You can see it's a module. This is for the fuel pump. Okay, the price of this part is like $65. And you don't have to take it to the dealer for this type of problem. You just gotta check it out. If the car crank but won't not start, this is the part right there. You see where it's located? You only have to remove this panel. This is for a 2014 Flex, but I believe the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are the same. Thank you.